In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to copy all network interface MAC addresses to a file. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To copy all network interface MAC address, go to search, type CMD, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator. In command prompt, type get MAC /b and then pipe, then type clip. Now hit enter. The MAC addresses are copied. Now open Notepad or open Microsoft Word as you wish and right click on Notepad and click on paste, and look, all network address MAC addresses has been copied in text file. This is the easiest way to copy MAC addresses of all network interface in Windows 10 or 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.